Wow, it's been a long time since I've been here. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, I'm back, finally. And if you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell because new videos are coming your way. Hey guys, so first off, I wanted to start out with a life update. The last time I was sitting here in this chair recording a video for you guys was almost 2 years ago. I honestly can't even believe that it's even been that long. It's been a long time. I was 8 months pregnant the last time that I filmed and posted a video for you guys. Since then, I have had a baby. He is a little bit over a year and a half now. And gosh, when I stopped recording videos, I really had no idea it was going to be this long before I started back up again. I honestly planned on recording again just a few months after my son was born. And here we are almost 2 years later. I really didn't know what life as a mom was going to be like, and I really thought that I was going to be ready to jump right back into YouTube and start recording right away when he was little, and that just wasn't the case. I mean, I really thought that I would want to start recording right away and want to keep working on the YouTube channel, and I did, but it's just so weird. It just never really felt like the right time to start recording videos again. I always felt like things with my son or things with being a mom were just more important to me at the time. Being a stay-at-home mom, I do stay at home with him all the time, and I really felt like I needed to be there with him and spending time with him and taking care of him when he was little. I mean, not to mention, it's the middle of 2022 right now. When my son was born, it was October of 2020. It's pretty much in the middle of the pandemic, so I didn't have a lot of options or a lot of things going on. I really was just focused on keeping our family healthy and keeping him healthy as he was little and just taking care of him and being a mom. I really never thought that it would be almost 2 full years before I got back up here, but here I am, and right now the time just feels right. I finally feel like I'm in a place where I can record these videos and share them with you again while still being the mom that I want to be. So here I am, I'm back, and we're going to get started with this again and jump back in here. Really, for the past 2 years, I have just been staying home with my son and taking care of him. It's only recently where it feels like things are starting to get back to normal and we can live our normal lives again, and things are getting different for me as a mom. My son is a toddler now and he's becoming more independent, so it's just time to be here with you guys again and start this journey again with you guys. Which brings me to what's coming with my channel. I have always enjoyed sharing my design style and tips with you guys, and I'm still going to focus on bringing you practical tips for a home you'll love with home decor tips, organization, and product reviews, just like I have always done. Speaking of reviews, while I have been planning and thinking about jumping back into this channel, which I have been thinking about for a really long time, I've noticed that a lot of the videos that did really well and that I've really enjoyed recording are those product reviews. Those types of videos have just really always done very well on my channel, and they're probably my most favorite type of video to film. They actually take the most time for me to prepare for them, but they are my favorite, and I think it's because I'm one of those like type A, super detail oriented and organized people that I just love diving into the nitty-gritty of different products and what I like and what I dislike and sharing that with other people. I've always been the type of person that if somebody comments on something that I have in the house or anything like that, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I got it at this place. I love this thing about it, blah, 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 blah. I love sharing those types of things. And so I think that just really translates into this YouTube channel whenever I am sharing different product reviews. So I'm going to start sharing more reviews on my channel. And now that I'm a mom, I'm also going to start sharing more mom, parent, baby, kid type reviews. Until I was probably when I was pregnant, I really didn't realize how many things that you need for having a baby and having kids. They require just so much stuff, and I spent so much time researching to find the right products, to find the best thing for what I needed, find the best thing that would work in our home. So those types of reviews I'm also going to start adding to this channel, and because they're things that you as a parent use every day and you use them in your home and you need them to work well. So I'm going to start adding those types of reviews to my channel as well. For now, while I'm getting back up and running and learning how YouTube fits into my life again, I'm going to start by sharing one full-length video with you guys a month, as well as several shorts per month, probably about one of those per week. And you can check those out here. As I keep going and getting into a rhythm, I might start increasing the number of full-length videos that I do in a month as well. So if you want a home you'll love and feel confident about, want home decor, inspiration, organization tips, and detailed product reviews, click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Also, comment below to say hello or tell me what types of videos you are most excited to see from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.